So we go to UNG. So you also wu, and then you come back with NG. Remember, use strength here. Okay, but of course don't make the sound. But you can feel here. Okay. Okay. Use force. Okay. Here you see that you hold this position with effort. Okay. Yeah. And then keep it. Okay. So it is wong. And then this is the first without initial, and then we go to this next one with initial B. But okay, but bong, and then pa, pong, ma, mong. Okay, so from short and then coming back and then end with here. So you can see the sign is a continuation. If you just say pong, okay, actually you just say pa and pong, okay, no, it is pong and then mong, fong, dong, tong, nong, long, gong, kong, and then NG ngong. Okay, so beginning NG and ending with NG. Ngong, and then H ha, hong, and then we skip a few to the last four GTC and 雅散 G 中起冲是送 and then 用唔係中隻色有用冇用啊，有用冇用 ，OK 用咗啦 ，OK， so this is AUNG。